Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another music production video. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're gonna be making some music. I don't have any specific idea, but I think we can just play something on the piano, right? So I am not playing piano. I don't know how to play piano, but when I start playing melodies, I will always come up with something. So even if you can't play piano, I think it's not a bad idea to be able to physically play melodies on a keyboard. I messed up one note, but we can fix this here. Okay, that sounds like Elenium. Okay, this is muddy as frick. We need to demud. That's pretty cool. We can put this, I've been using this recently a lot and it changes the sound in a way that is so amazing. Sounds from it are really cool. I think like Kyle is just getting so much promotion from me, but that's a great plugin. It sounds getting much more interesting. Not like a really dry default sound. Oh, that is cool. Put a Rezz bass underneath these guys. I mean, like every single time I'm making a tune, it's like there's like a chords or something, and then Rezz bass comes in. Like every single time there has to be Rezz bass in the song. I think we can add like some high sparkles on top of this to make it even go higher, because this is like a low melody and then a top melody playing on top, so we can add even higher top melody with this portal. We're gonna layer this with like a different analog sound. Okay, let's do some mid-side EQing. I'm not a big fan of having some mid or low end on sides. Like this. I don't like it. But I like to have some high end on the sides. That's cool. Okay, so we can duplicate this section and then we can automate this cutoff knob to open. So we have some transition. Let's see this one. Okay, we need some vocals. We need some vocals. Let's try this one. Some of the vocals are being warped, which is really annoying. I mean, you can turn this off, but whatever. 160, this is 160. Change to complex pro, so we get better quality. I like to boost some high end and Formant Shifting, maybe let's try. We can do like a Formant Shifting vocal. We can duplicate it and have like a layer with Formant shifted vocal down. And Nectar is really cool for this. You can set even dimensions, so you can have one vocal like this one, a main one, and then you can have like another vocal layer on the sides. Yeah, that's wide, and we can even set the harmony. Like a chorus effect, like. We can even do like automation of the formants. That may be really cool. That is cool. Oh, that's cool. I'm glad I came up with this. Maybe higher?
like the way you dance. I'm the night will measure. Baby, but the summertime you send.
Oh, that's cool. Let's see in the context.
Oh, I didn't know you. Oh, I didn't know your love.
We have also a little altar boy, so like they work a bit differently. They're having a different algorithms. Nectar is like a bit higher quality Formant shifting, but it makes your sound mono, so I like that's kind of weird. But this one is making your sound even wider, so.
Oh, I didn't know you.
But that sounds like shit. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this. Sometimes when you do this, it sounds really cool in stereo, but if you listen to this in mono, it may sound like shit. So let's see.
Oh, I didn't know you.
Sounds good.
Baby, but the summertime sand, your sand, yes.
Oh, it's making it mono. I forgot about this. Well, fine. We are doing a dimension expander anyways. Maybe we should do a Formant shifting on this one as well. I will need to do this on a dry vocal, but like don't wanna waste too much time on doing this. So I'm just gonna use this one. It'll sound a little bit worse, but we'll have the effect. Stretch this. Okay, like this, and then maybe maybe this one, maybe the secret sauce. Let's see. Very nice. Okay, that's cool. Let's just group this, and because this group is being sidechained, we'll be doing sidechaining really soon. So I'm just gonna put this in a separate group. That's cool, and now we can proceed to making a build-up. So the sample pack I'm using is the upcoming Hybrid Trap and Rhythm sample pack. So if you go to the description, there's a link to the waiting list. You can just sign up, and when the pack drops, you will be instantly notified. There's some really nice risers here. Like this one. And then we also layer this riser with a sweep up. Like this one. Also we make it shorter. Da 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 da. Baby. They're really nice, and then we put a utility on this group, utility on this group, and then we make it quiet here, and then also we may try using a frequency shifter, and we can use a washout thing. Okay, so we do to make this fine knob to go up. Cool, and then this guy. Okay, so now we need a really beefy bass. This is like the bass that I found on Reddit that that people said that Flume used it. So I'm like, well, if Flume used it, it must be really cool. And I guess it is. You be quiet. That's cool. No glide. That's sick. Maybe we need more like a future bass snare. Yeah. So that's gonna sound like Flume now, because we will put a... Oh, god damn it. Whew. I almost had a heart attack. How about like doing a crash? Right as well. Double this lead with a different sound. More like a lead sound. That was a re-space sound that we turned into lead. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Oh, we need something. I use it every single time when I'm making a tune. It is a game changer. A reversed kick or stomp before the drop. I'm gonna duplicate this because I don't want to have a bass layer on the same patch as a lead layer, because I want to be able to manipulate this. Okay, so that is really nice. Someone's calling me. I'm busy, don't you know this? Let's listen to this and let's see if it's good.
Oh, I didn't know you. Oh, I didn't know you at all. What's to say to love you? But I have to go. I won't lie to you. I do the things I want to do. You should do the things you want to do. Oh baby, oh baby. You know that I like the way you dance. Oh, I wanna know I will miss it. Baby, but the summertime you send it. You're a friend, you're a friend.
Ooh, that is fire. That is freaking insane. Holy shit. This is getting somewhere. So if you enjoy this, size in that subscribe button and size in the like button, because YouTube loves it. Not me. I don't care. So I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you learned something. Have a nice day and see ya in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can size in that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets and free sounds.